Welcome to your Shopify theme customization guide. To edit the code, start by clicking on Customize Theme. Next, add a section and select the section name, such as Array Gallery number 2. Once added, go back and you will see the block. If you need more blocks, simply click on Add Item to include additional content. Click on the Connection section to adjust the column and row layout according to your preference. You can also choose a connection image to display. Additionally, select a custom background type, either an image or a video, based on your design requirements. Choose a custom background image or upload a background video from Shopify. You also have the option to embed a background video using a URL. A button text can be added, and there are toggle options to enable or disable links on blocks, show or hide content, display the collection title on hover, and show the collection button on hover. Content alignment can be customized both horizontally and vertically, with separate settings available for mobile views. Next, go back and select the second block, which is the title section. Here, adjust the column and row layout as needed. Add a title, input text, and customize a button by setting its text and URL. Choose a background type, whether it is an image, video from Shopify, or an embedded video from a URL. The background can also be enabled or disabled as per your requirements. The section allows you to enable or disable content display on hover. Customize content alignment both horizontally and vertically, ensuring the layout is well suited for desktop and mobile views. After making these adjustments, navigate back and click on Array Gallery number 2. In this section, add a heading and enable or disable a custom font for it. Select the font family, adjust the heading size for both desktop and mobile views, and modify the heading line height. The text alignment for the heading can also be adjusted, including specific settings for mobile views. The masonry layout gap and margin at the top can be modified, with adjustments available for both desktop and mobile views. Fine-tune the row's maximum height for different devices. Adjust masonry block padding vertically and horizontally, with options available for mobile optimization. Block border settings, including radius and thickness, can be configured. Overlay adjustments for blocks can also be made. Modify content padding both vertically and horizontally, and set the content border radius and thickness as needed. Adjust the opacity of the content background and choose the alignment for content text, with separate settings for mobile views. Enable or disable the masonry title block custom font, then adjust the block title size and line height. Choose a custom font for the masonry block text and select a font family. Adjust the block text size, line height, and margin at the top. Similarly, customize the block price font and adjust its size, line height, and top margin. Enable or disable a custom font for block buttons and select a font family. Adjust button size, line height, and margin at the top. Modify button padding both vertically and horizontally and set the button border radius and thickness. Choose colors for various elements, including block background, border, content background, content border, block title, text, price, button color, button background, and button border. Section heading color, section background gradient, and section background color can also be customized. Adjust the margin at the top and bottom outside the section, as well as the padding inside the section for both top and bottom. Side padding can also be modified for desktop and mobile views. Enable or disable full width settings for the section and adjust content width and border thickness as needed. Finally, enable or disable lazy loading for better performance.